How's it going, everyone? It's been a minute since I made a recap for you all, and I apologize. I've had a really busy life here lately, but we're back to it. Consistency is coming back, live trading in the next 2 weeks, I promise. But before we get started, be sure you subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, click that bell icon so you do not miss on any of my upcoming videos. Let's get right into this video. Okay, so the trade I took today, I overtraded a little. I'm going to go ahead and point that out before I start going through my trades. But I was trading super light size today, coming up on the ending of a short week. For one, I don't like short weeks. It's a Friday. Do not want to give back my profits for the week, then head into my weekend with a big losing trade at least. But this 179 area, I was watching for a breakout above on Apple because we had hourly resistance, right? It wasn't a super strong resistance, but it was a resistance. I can see signs of a reversal looking at the price action on the higher time frames as well. We had a nice sell-off due to, the China news with Apple. I'm sure you all have already read all about that. Now, we're starting to bounce. So I want to see a break above this for calls. I gave my trade ideal inside Team Voice, so I'm getting in calls here on Live Voice. We got in. We caught this move up to 180, trimmed down to runners here. It come down, stopped us out on the remaining position. A very nice trade. If I remember right, I think the contract went from 60 close to 80, 90 area. Very nice move on the premium. Super cheap contracts. We was trading same day expiration. That's a personal choice. Some people like to go out a week or two when they're even day trading. For me, I went with today's. A nice trade off the open. Now let's take a look at SPY. Now the other trades I took today was on SPY. SPY stopped me out twice, okay? I was really battling with SPY this morning. I ended up making money on it, but let's not talk about my losing trades. Let's talk about how I should have handled this. We got a trend line that formed on the hourly. I'm going to show you all the hourly. Some people couldn't see it. We got a nice trend line. We keep coming up, touching. And I want to see a break out of this or reject today. That's what I told everyone I was watching for. I said, we're either going to break out for a nice move, I won't calls, or I'm going to look for signs of reversal to get in puts. I like the way calls look, so I got in calls. Got in calls here, and we come down, stop me out, right? Stop me out twice. I tried twice on this. Very small position. So I tried this trade 3 different times today, right? Stopped out twice. I made money a third time. I'm ending my day, very small green, but I'm okay with that. Could have been much worse, right? So I got in calls. It come down, stopped me out. But I did not follow my game plan. I told everyone, I said, I want to stop out. We have a candle open below VWAP, right? That was my game plan. But I seen this huge sell candle. I said, okay, I'm getting out. If I could go back, I would have waited on that 5 minute to close below VWAP. This loss was because I did not follow my original plan. That one thing comes back and gets me more than nearly everything else combined, is not following my original plan. From now on, I'm going to follow my plan, right? This is why I have these indicators. I don't use them that often, but they do work nice for a good stop point. In some cases, a nice price target for the first trim. But what I'm gonna do, as I do every day, this evening I'm gonna come back, study my trades, log them, write down what I did wrong. That way I can consistently see what I'm doing wrong over a period of time. Even if I don't realize it the day I log it, once I come back and look through my logs, I'm going to see, what stands out, right? That's another really important part of trading, is logging your trades. If you're going to do this long term, you better be logging your trades. Before we go, for those that are still around, Team Bull MasterMind will be starting in the near future. So if you're interested in getting on the waiting list for that, I'm going to leave a link in the description. Fill it out. It takes like 5 seconds. That way, when it's ready, you get your application, can fill it out. You're not missing out on that. Even if you're not for sure, go ahead and fill that out so you don't miss it, right? That's all I have for this video. I hope you all have an amazing weekend. I appreciate every one of my followers, and I'll see you next time.